एमिनन्स कार्डिनल फिलीप नेरी फेरांव पयलेच खेपे रोमांतल्यान कार्डिनल म्हूण गोंयांत पावलो. तांकां विमानतळार आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरा एलेक्स सिक्वेरा आनी आंतोन वाज हांणी येवकार दिलो. तशेंच विकार जनरल फादर जोसे रेमेडियो आनी पाद्रीन कार्डिनलाक येवकार दिवपाक गोंय विमानतळाचेर हाजीर आशिल्ले.
Philip Neri Ferrand was elevated to become a cardinal. The celebration, this is the first time in 453 odd years that a Goan has been appointed. A Goan meaning Goan living in Goa from the Goa diocese has been appointed as a cardinal. It is a great honor for us. And that is why I believe it is in the fitness of things that one should come to welcome the son of the soil.
As a member of the Legislative Assembly of Aldona constituency, कितें आमचो cardinal hails from Aldona. So a team, a delegation from Aldona constituency, we have come here with our parish priest to welcome His Eminence, and we are very happy that he is coming back to Goa and that he will discharge his pastoral duties with great satisfaction. Thank you.